Hello, everyone. Welcome on our live trading session. Before we start, please let me check if everything is working properly. If you can let me know on the chat if you can hear me well, if you can see me, and then we're gonna start our session. This is our second session today. First one in the morning was a bit short because we didn't have too many targets we could use this morning, but hopefully we're gonna have more opportunities on US market. So we're gonna check what can we do, and we're gonna look for some opportunities. Okay, guys. So can you hear me? Can you see me? Let me know. Mm. We're gonna focus on futures contracts today, probably. We're gonna see what's going on the market and what we can do, basically. Okay, everything should be okay. Anna, thanks for your feedback. Okay, so guys, did you place any trades this morning or not yet? To be honest, I didn't trade yet, so hopefully we're gonna find something nice. Hearing loud and clear, good, very good. So, guys, on today's session, we're gonna focus on price action cycle strategy, which is working the best during US session, and US session just started. So hopefully we're gonna be able to use it. In the morning, we were trying to find some opportunities on the market using all-in ASAP strategy, but this morning, unfortunately, we couldn't find anything what we can use. Not yet. Analyzes gold. Yes, we're gonna check gold in a second because I got some idea for gold. We will see if we can use it. But okay, let's start from crude oil. I'm on futures contract at this moment. Let me just remove indicator. Okay. So when we are using price action cycle, we are looking at current day, okay? So we need to look what happened since morning. The day opened over here, like you can see. That was open of the day. So first we need to define what kind of day we are dealing with. Is it range day? Is it trend day? This is very important because we got different setups for range days and different setup for trend days. So let's have a look what happened in the morning. I'm looking at Asian session, okay, like till maybe 8 a.m., something like that. So during this session, price was moving in range or maybe more trend. To be honest, it looks like the price was moving in trend since morning. I'm not sure if we can find any rotation channel here. Maybe it's gonna be hard, but for sure the price was moving upwards. Okay, we're moving up slowly. Over here, the price slowed down a little bit. That's fine, but most of the Asian session, the price was moving up. That's why we're gonna look for trend setups. And from the morning over here, we got first leg done. The second leg, the price didn't get to the second leg over here. We should get here for the second leg measure move, but we didn't get there. What I can see over here, that something changed on the market. I can see double top over here, and double top usually telling us that we can expect reversal or sometimes continuation. Okay, so if we are in a trend day, if we got double top, that means we might expect reversal. Okay, with double top. But also, if we are in trend day, we can expect continuation of the trend if we got double top or double bottom in this case, and we might see continuation. So we need to look for those things. In this case, you can see something changed over here. We got strong impulse, bearish impulse, and we are going opposite direction. So since morning, the price was moving upwards, and now something changed. Market structure also changed from 5 minutes time frame. There is a break of structure over here, and we are going down. So let's see if we can find this place for us to look for some opportunities. First of all, I want to mark open of the day because it's working very well on crude oil. Usually we can spot reactions at open of the day. So this is open of the day. Okay. I'll move it to the left. And there was reaction, okay, at open of the day. We can see some reactions over here, which is completely fine. Guys, before we're gonna check if we can find something nice, we need to check macroeconomic calendar. I didn't check in the first place because I was checking that in the morning, but I know not all of you went to morning session. So let's check macroeconomic calendar because this is quite important, okay? So let's go to Forex Factory. Today it's Monday, the 10th of November. And in macroeconomic calendar, we don't have any high impact news. Okay, you can see impact is very low. So it can be very good day for trading because we don't have any news. We are not expecting high volatility. It's okay. Market Monday, sometimes markets on Monday are a bit slow. But to be honest, Monday usually is the best day for me for trading because on Mondays I got more profits than losses. Okay. So Monday should be good. I didn't place any trade this morning, so hopefully we're going to find something now. So there's no news in macroeconomic calendar, so we can move straight to the charts and let's finish what we started. Okay, so we got double top over here. We know situation changed and we are going opposite direction. So we can try to find rotation channel and we can do it on the bottom. Why not? It can look like this, maybe. Let me check this. Maybe like that. It doesn't look too bad. We got some reactions from the bottom. Okay, we got one reactions from the top. So this can be our hidden rotation channel. Okay, so it's not 100% confirmed because we got one reactions from the top, but we can expect that if the price will get to the top of this rotation channel and we're gonna have reaction, maybe we're gonna be able to use it. Okay, so we got some kind of hidden rotation channel. Let's check pullback zone from the first leg. So I need to measure this point here, beginning of this impulse and the lowest point of this impulse right here. So that's what we want to measure, and pullback zone is in this area right here. I'm gonna make double area because to be honest, I prefer this zone over here, but price can get to this area and then we might have reaction. So I'm gonna mark this as well. This is gonna be my second zone, but first one will be the best. So this is my pullback zone. Okay. Let me just remove it. So we are currently in pullback zone and we can expect something. Okay. We can add some other things like support resistance zone. If we look at to current day, this is nice support resistance zone, and the price just stopped over here. Okay, even if we're gonna break through, doesn't matter, we can still use this area. So this is pretty nice, I would say. And also we need to check, I'm not sure if this impulse is finished already, so we cannot check measure move. So I'm not sure where will be our measure move. We need to wait for this impulse to finish. Okay, we need to check micro rotation, that's for sure. We can do it from lower time frame. 5 minutes time frame should be good. So let's check from the beginning of the day. I think the price was rotating over here and we got confirmation. So this rotation is confirmed. Another one is over here. And it's also confirmed. We got another one right here, confirmed. Another rotation, bearish rotation will be here. This whole impulse correction continuation. And we are after bullish rotation, which is perfect, I would say, because now we can expect bearish rotation. We are in pullback zone, also close to the top of rotation channel and support resistance zone. This is great area for us to look for some opportunities. Okay, so another thing we need to do, I like this because we got micro rotation, which is confirmed. We got first try of buyers, another try of buyers, and you can see they are losing strength. Okay, here I can see the power of buyers, but now they lost power, which is good because we want sellers to take over and we want to go down. So what we need to look for is, I'm gonna add resistance line. It's not the best, I would say. It could be better, but it is what it is at this moment. To be honest, the best it would be if we can get to the top of this rotation channel. If we can get to the top of this rotation channel, that would be great. If not, that's fine. It's okay. I don't mind. Okay. Let me just check. It gonna looks like this. It's gonna be fine because maybe the second rotation channel, what I've just put on the chart, maybe it's gonna work better. Okay, I'm not sure about that. So we need to wait for confirmation that we are after second try of buyers. So we can look for bearish rotation and we're gonna try to enter the position going down. Okay, one of our setups, we're gonna look at exponential moving average, of course, and we might have our chance to go down. And I think we got quite a lot of space for this trade. So risk to reward for sure 1 to 2, maybe even more. Okay, we will check that. Strong support resistance zone. Yes, it is strong. It was working quite well this morning. So I'm curious what's gonna happen here. But first, we need to see bearish rotation. Okay, bearish rotation. Probably we're gonna have quite a lot of space. If I'm gonna measure this like that, Yes. We might get to the previous day, so low from Friday. There is a chance we're gonna get there. Now we got reaction, which is good. 1 second, guys. I want to check something. Minutes. Okay. Indicators list. 1 second. I want to check something. AI. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. We need reaction for sure. And we might have a chance to go down. This is looking quite good, to be honest. It's looking quite good. We just need to wait for a bearish reaction and we're gonna be good. Maybe I'll go lower to 3 minutes time frame. Maybe. I'm not saying yes, but maybe to look for a micro rotation, maybe from lower time frame. But at this moment, it's looking pretty good. We just need to see sellers. Okay, it's all about the price action. Okay, we got some reaction over here. It's looking good. It's looking good. Slowly, no rush. We don't want to enter position too early, so we need to wait a few more minutes. Okay, let's have a look at gold. Gold is going crazy today, guys. Crazy. Since morning, they've done already how many? 1,000 pips since morning. 1,000 pips, guys. $10. $10. Okay, for sure we are in bullish trend, but in this case, it's hard to, for me, it's hard to check the beginning of the impulse because we are looking for impulse which started under exponential moving average. It can be this one. Basically, uh, it can be. It can be, okay? But there's no correction, not even to 38.2. They are moving up all the time. I want to show you something because using price action cycle, I don't want to enter the position because there's no pullbacks. They're just going straight since morning. They are going up. Okay. Where are they trying to get? Let me just check. I want to see MT4 platform. Okay. Crude oil is moving. Let's go back to crude oil. Good. We got nice reaction. Let me just prepare account. Okay. Um, good. Good. This is beginning of micro rotation. So we need to wait for this rotation beginning finish, and we're gonna wait for pullback. Something like this. Something like this. Slowly, slowly. Okay, so gold, maybe, maybe yes. Indicators, please. Hmm. Interesting, because the highest volume from today is over here. So pretty sure buyers and sellers are fighting over here. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. Mhm. And we got to high volume edge right here. I want to show you something. Let me just check gold. We got target here under the price, which is around 500 pips lower, but this target got 80% chances that the price will come back to it today. So maybe we can use that information. We will see. We need to see breakout through trend line. This trade is gonna be easy, not too many things we need to look at. Just the target. We know the price should come back to the target, and we got 80% chances. But we need to find the right place to enter the position. And usually, trend line is enough. Okay, you don't need to add any more things. Of course, support resistance zone probably yes, but it's somewhere close to trend line. So we will see. Maybe for breakout to get to the target, yes, around 200 pips, maybe a little bit more to get. Okay, what's going on with crude oil? Okay, we got beginning of micro rotation. Now we can see pullback, and we will see what's gonna happen. I need to calculate position, because if we're gonna see bearish candle, we can enter the position basically. It's not that hard. Advanced option, risk mode. Let's say around 15 pips, something like that. So points minus 15. 0.2, $2,000 of risk. 15 points. I'm just thinking if I want to make 15, maybe a little bit more, 13. Maybe 16. To include spread, okay? That's very important. So we are very close to open the position. This candle looking good. It's 3 minutes candle, so I need to stay on this chart. Mm, Strong bearish candle, and we are good to go. Not yet. Come on. Do not see buyers at this sellers at this moment. They stop at level of $60 and not moving. Give me a second. I need to turn air conditions down, okay? Mm. Not yet. Not yet. Crazy move today on gold. It's crazy. This is crazy. Come on. Of course, we can go a little bit higher, and that's fine. Okay. If we're going to go higher, I will move this resistance line, let's say. And if we're going to get to the top of rotation channel, and then we're going to have reaction, we're going to wait for bearish rotation, pull back, and go. So I'm ready. It doesn't matter if we're going to see sellers now, or maybe they're going to go a little bit higher, and then we're going to see sellers. That's fine. Doesn't matter. What's going on Nasdaq today? Dow Jones. Let me just check something. Dow Jones. Okay, I think we can have a look at this one. This might be quite interesting because the day opened with the gap and the price was moving probably in range. Looks like till 8. Yes, the price was moving in this range for the most of the time. Okay, so we need to define this area. Um, I'm looking for as many reactions I can find from the bottom and from the top. Mm, okay. Can we go lower? Okay, it should be okay. Should be okay. This is our non-trade zone. Let's mark it on the chart. Non-trade zone. What's going on the crude oil? Not yet. This is our non-trade zone. Okay. These areas are the areas where we can expect sellers. So let's go to the settings. Red color. Okay. And another one. Okay. Now I can remove that. All right, so this is Dow Jones. I'm going to mark open of the day. It might be important, especially that we can see reactions just in point. We can see these reactions at open of the day. Nice. Mm, I would prefer to see this zone somewhere lower, close to the other side of non-trade zone, but it is what it is. It might be a little bit tight, but we'll see. We are looking for open of the day. Mhm. Crude oil, nothing yet. Nothing's going on. Okay, let's check rotation from the morning. Bearish rotation doesn't look too good. Bullish one. Okay, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish. No, no. Mm, maybe yes. Okay, we need to wait. The best if we can see something like this going higher. I need more space to open of the day because if they're gonna move now, mm, there will be no space to open the trade. So I don't want to open the trade if I don't have any space. I need space for my stop loss, for my take profit. So in this case, we are too close to open of the day and we don't have reaction yet. Okay. All right. If we're going to see this candle closing under this trend line, I'm going to open the position. Okay. We'll see. but my stop loss will be probably bigger. Let's check where will be our measure move. Okay, we got some space to our measure move. So if the price will close somewhere here, let's say, with my stop loss over here, we can get nearly 2 to 1, nearly. Not too bad. Even if we're gonna get 1 to 1.5, it will be good. The price definitely stopped at support resistance. So we just need to wait for the breakout. Okay, we need to wait again. But that's how it looks like, guys. Sometimes you make a plans and you need to wait for perfect conditions to open the trade, and that's why we need to be patient. This is gold. Gold not yet. I would like to sell on gold, but if we're looking at today impulse, it's crazy, guys. More than 1,000 pips. Here we are very close to open the position, but we need nice candle. Nice candle. What about you guys? Do you have any plan for a US session? Maybe you trade something different, maybe using price action cycle on different instruments. So, guys, do you trade anything? Let me know. Or you just staying back, just watching? Okay. We have crude oil, but we need to wait for this one. And for Dow Jones, we're gonna have to wait as well. We're gonna have to wait. There is a chance that we're gonna drop down here. We're gonna see continuation, and maybe after we're gonna have a chance to get to non-trade zone. But we'll have to wait for that. For me, the best is looking now crude oil. We are not too far from opening position. All right. GBP and ZD. Hey guys. Uh, while we are waiting, let's check maybe euro. I think I want to touch euro at this moment. Gold, maybe gold, yes, because I'm waiting for the price to come back to the target. So why not gold? Why not gold? Mm, you can see target over here. Yes, it is over here. We just need to wait for the price to break through. course, there is some support resistance zone. So this setup is very simple, I would say, very, very simple. But we need to wait and see if the price can break through. Then we're gonna open sell position for a few hundred pips because we are away from this target at this moment. We are away 400 pips. Okay. Anna, I'm analyzing oil as well. Also, I will analyze US 500. Okay. We don't need much, guys. We need one or two setups. That's it. Even one setup will be enough. So let's wait for this crude oil and let's try to open the trade. Let's try to make some money. One day very carefully with trading. Last 6 days, I open position only or on crude oil. Good. Yeah, Monday slowly, but I most of the profits I make on Mondays. And this one here, hopefully we're gonna be able to open position because it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Mm, just need the right candle at this moment. Or maybe something like this, and then boom. Perfect. Not bad. This trend line is holding us. You can see the price stopped on this trend line. Come on. Come on, come on. Trade is not open yet. I didn't open it yet. We are still waiting for the perfect candle, for the signal candle, but not at this moment. No. Okay, we are breaking through. Let me go back to crude oil. Risk mode, market, price points. We want around 17, 18 pips maybe. Come on, one candle. One candle. We need one candle. Another double bottom. Double bottom. Okay. Okay, gold, not yet. I don't see sellers. I cannot see sellers, guys. We are still bouncing over here. This is some kind of support zone as well. You can mark that, of course. Come on. Last week we made nice profits. Guys, last week $6,377 during live trading sessions. Last trade was placed on Monday morning on our live trading session on Euro USD with the profit of $2,500. Risk to reward 125, guys. 125. Nice. Okay, it's Euro. Where is crude oil? Let's get ready. Pending. Points 18 0.2. Not yet. The price is still going higher, which is good, but we can have a look at this situation right here because we got some spike move, we got some channel, and we need a breakout through this channel. A correction to not even 50%, which is good. We'll see. We might go up. If we're gonna have perfect reaction at 50%, nice. We are good to go. Quite nice setup, I would say, but we need to wait for the price to drop. If they're gonna go up, okay, let them go. We're gonna find something else. Gold slowly coming down. Slowly coming down. Very slowly, I would say. Come on. 5 minutes time frame. Come on, one nice bearish candle, and we can open position, make some profits, and start Monday like a pro. Guys, tomorrow in our country is holiday, so tomorrow we won't have any live trading session, okay? So everyone tomorrow is off. So we're not gonna trade tomorrow as well. We're gonna come back on Wednesday, okay? So another session will be on Wednesday morning after this one, okay? And we are waiting for perfect situation. Like you can see on this account, last week I placed only 4 trades. Don't look at these small trades; they don't count because I was checking something. So don't worry about those trades. And I placed 4 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, and profit $6,377. So, like you can see, you don't need to open hundreds of trades. Just wait for that perfect setup. If everything is working, everything is looking good, open it. That's it. If not, of course, we might have situation that the price will go up from here, and maybe they're gonna go, I don't know, to level of $70. Who cares? I'm looking for this specific situation. If that's gonna happen, okay, I can open position. If not, I don't care. I put this into the my trading journal and nothing else. We can still see that the price is holding by the support resistance zone. Now let's go. One strong bearish candle. Come on. Okay, no problem. Do you have any nice plans for your holiday? No, not really. I'm gonna relax tomorrow for sure. Nothing special. Nothing special. Just relax. But I won't look at the charts tomorrow. It's good to have some days off the charts, okay? During the weekend, I usually don't look at the charts, but yesterday I was checking um, something new. So I spent few hours by the charts, but usually during the weekend I'm off the charts. So I was checking something yesterday. So tomorrow for sure I'm gonna be off. I won't look at the charts even for 1 minute. Okay, what's going on here? Let them go down. Was this confirmed bearish rotation? Yes, this is confirmed bearish rotation, which is good. Okay, that's fine. Now we can wait for bullish rotation, maybe to this level of 50%, and then bearish rotation. And we're gonna open the trade. So the conditions are changing all the time. We need to watch the market. If the situation is changing, our plan can change a little bit. Okay, so we need to look what's going on here. It will be great if we can have micro rotation over here, confirmed, and then bearish rotation, strong reaction, and guys, even better, nice entry. We will see. But like I said, of course, there is a chance that we're gonna go straight up. For strong move, they wait on. Maybe yes, maybe because in 5 minutes, sorry, in 10 minutes time, cash market is opening, so maybe yes, we're gonna have some strong move at 3 p.m. We will see. And 3 p.m. boom, trigger, and we're going down. Let me just check if I'm ready for this. We got small gap over here. Good. $2,000 stop loss. Come on, come on. What's going on with gold? Gold is dropping down. Good. We are on the way to the targets. We are on the way to the target. So hopefully we're going to be able to use it. But first, I want to see the price breaking through this trend line. Maybe then retest, and we can use simple setup using target from all in ASAP strategy. This is daily target with the 80% of chances to get to this target on the same day. Okay. So we might have our chance in a second because gold is dropping down a little bit. But of course, we need stronger reaction, stronger than retest and then go. Okay. No rush. Slowly, slowly waiting for perfect moment. Confirmed. Okay. The only thing is we are in the wrong rotation. That's what I'm worrying about. Bearish rotation is confirmed. Okay, we'll see. Just worry about this rotation, but we'll see. And gold. Slowly, slowly. Mm, bullish rotation. There was a reaction at the top of rotation channel, which is also good. Okay. Let them go higher. Gold is getting close. It's good. Very good. The rotation is not the best, but if we're gonna close like this, we might think about opening the position, but we are bullish rotation over here, which is confirmed. Bearish one is confirmed. We can expect bullish one. To be honest, I would prefer to go higher for bullish rotation and then bearish one. That would be much, much better. But what can we do? 3 minutes. You can see the price stopped over here. They are moving up and down. They don't know where they want to go. Buyers and sellers are fighting. We'll see who's gonna take over. Crude oil. Come on. Two minutes. Come on. This can be risky, but if we're gonna close like this, I think I can take that risk, but it might be risky because of the rotation. But for me, it's looking good anyway. Not yet. We are between two support zones. This is one support zone, and this is the other one. And look what's happening. The price is bouncing between those two support zones. Okay, move up. Minus 20. Come on. Not this way. Opposite direction. Come on, come on. We're gonna do something like this and reaction at 50%, then we're gonna drop. That's gonna be fine as well. Come on. So boring, guys. GC. Gold is slowly going down. So let's make a plan for gold because gold is looking good. We got target which is under the price. Gold. So I'm gonna wait for the breakout. Retest this support zone or this trend line, okay? Direction bearish. We got targets from all in ASAP strategy. So this trade might be nice, but we need to wait for the breakout first. Once again. Okay, save. I'm gonna save it for later because we're gonna have to wait another, I don't know, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. 10th of 10th of November. 5 minutes time frame. There is target from ASAP around how many pips? 300 pips away. 300 pips away. All I need to do now is to wait for the price to break through. R probably will be 122. probably. We'll see. This can be a nice trade. Okay, insert picture the device. Boom. Crude oil. Let's check crude oil. Mm. It's quite deep. I would say it's quite deep, but I think we are still at level 61.8. They stopped at 61.8, which is not too bad. Quite deep. If we're gonna close above this pullback zone, for sure, no. Mm, 3 minutes time frame. No, probably no, because we are now waiting for bullish rotation. So we got beginning of bullish rotation. Rotation needs to be confirmed. Then this setup is looking bad now. No, but the best. We'll see after this reaction what's gonna happen. But to be honest, it's not looking good. We're supposed to have reaction over here. We wanted to go straight down from here. This correction is deep, but still at level 61.8, which is good. But now we are on the other side of support resistance zone. So we need to wait for the price to get to this side, and maybe then we're gonna be able to make decision to go down. But we need to get to this side of support resistance zone for sure. Reaction is good, but we'll see. I'm not saying no, but it was looking better before for sure. Okay, we got breakouts. We stopped at support resistance zone. We'll see. We'll see. We need to break through for sure, because now we are at the support for buyers or sellers. 5 minutes time frame. Let me just check one more thing. We got AI volume. We'll see. I'm not saying no. This rotation channel is looking bad. It's looking bad. But maybe this rotation channel will work. We got some reactions from the bottom and from the top. So if we're gonna have something like this, okay, but we need to look for the right rotation now. So let me just remove everything. We need to change it a little bit. This is gonna be our trend line. Bearish rotation confirmed. Bullish is not confirmed. I'm worried about the rotation because we need to see bullish rotation to be confirmed. If the price will break through This pullback zone, for me, it's no. It's a big no. So at this moment, it doesn't look too good. If we had bullish rotation right here and now correction, reaction at this zone, breakout with bearish rotation, okay, I can open position. But in this scenario, rotation is wrong. We need to wait for bullish rotation. So if bullish rotation will be confirmed, we're gonna be too high for this trade, unfortunately. So let's leave it. The only chance is gold at this moment, but gold, I need to see deeper drop. Okay, gold's got power. So if you can, I know we got around 300 pips to the target, but we can do that. We can do it. I'm gonna wait for breakout, maybe retest of this area or breakout retest of trend line. Two options, okay? So I'm gonna look for both. One of these. This one or this one. Let me make a screenshot. I'm gonna put this in journal because probably we're gonna finish session and I will try to use it later. I don't want to keep you longer. It's quite boring on the market, to be honest. Uh, okay. Insert picture, this device. No, come on. Okay. I think that's it for now. Mm, over here, I will look for this trade, but the rotation is wrong. So at this moment, I'm not interested in crude oil. On this one here, I think there is a potential, big potential to get to the target, but we need to wait for the breakout because this area can still hold the price, okay? And we might still go up. So I will leave it for now. We are breaking through, which is good. But we need a small retest, okay? Small retest. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Only two plans. One probably we cannot use. The other one we can wait for this one. I think this can be pretty good because we got nice target at the bottom, so we're gonna try to use that. All right. So Monday slowly, tomorrow day off. So take it easy, guys. Take it easy. We don't need to open position every time. If we are not sure, if I'm not sure, I don't feel set up. I just don't trade. I don't need to trade every single day. Remember, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for this session. Like I said, tomorrow I'm off. So we're gonna be back on Wednesday with our live trading session. So Wednesday, 9 a.m. UTC plus 2. I will see you on next one. Take care, guys.